It looks as though scientists at CERN, the world's largest particle physics laboratory, have made one of the most important scientific breakthroughs of modern times. The physicists believe they have finally identified the particle known as the Higgs Boson. If confirmed, it should be an enormous step towards explaining how atoms have mass and how the universe is bound together. BBC Science correspondent David Shukman reports.
It's a discovery about the fabric of the universe that'll go down as one of the greatest in science. In the giant underground laboratory at CERN near Geneva, researchers have found a key to matter. In this circular tunnel, they've identified a new kind of particle, as predicted nearly 50 years ago by British professor Peter Higgs. Today he was in Geneva, an emotional moment, hearing about the particle known as the Higgs Boson.
Well, I would like to add my congratulations to everybody involved in this tremendous achievement. For me, it's really an incredible thing that it's happened in my lifetime. It's taken...
The scientists hunted for the Higgs boson by firing particles through the tunnel and forcing them to collide to reveal their inner workings. Ultimately, this is about a very basic quest to understand what the universe is made of, how from empty space we get the planets and us. This involves digging into atoms deeper and deeper to reveal the incredibly small parts inside them, so tiny it's not clear how they have any kind of substance. And that's where the Higgs boson comes in, a particle that acts like glue, giving other particles mass. For 50 years a theory, now a momentous discovery, unlocking new areas of research.
It's like saying we want to explore that ocean, but we don't know where the land is that we want to explore. We've now found the land. We know in which direction to go. So we don't know what's on that land yet. It's an undiscovered country in many ways, but at least we know where it is.
Peter Higgs, known as a quiet man, is suddenly in the limelight. The particle he suggested back in the 60s is recognised as fundamentally important. And Stephen Hawking is among those offering praise.
This is an important result, and should earn Peter Higgs the Nobel Prize. I had a bet with Gordon Kane of Michigan University that the Higgs particle wouldn't be found. It seems I had just lost $100.
The giant machines that did the research cost several billion pounds, and no one knows what spin-offs there might be. But when the electron and DNA were discovered, it took decades to see their massive potential. The Higgs boson could prove the same. David Shukman, BBC News.